That in the gap and cut nicely for 4. And that's a beautiful stroke.
Gets the treatment. First boundary after 21 balls.
That he does. Good use of the feet. In the gap, 4 runs.
Delayed his departure from the crease. And got to the pitch. Just swiveled round, played with the spin. That's a good shot.
And then cut away. Offside. Anticipating that the bowler will pull his length back. He stood deep in his crease.
That's well played, and you can see deliberately waiting for the ball to get past him and just rolled the wrist over the top of the ball.
He's gone big. Will he clear the field? Yes, he does. Maximum boundaries we've had in the competition so far, because we're on pitch 3, so we're right in the middle, and it is a free hit. There was a deep mid-wicket out there, but it just goes all the way. Yeah, he read that. That slow one didn't work. Has gone for a maximum at mid-wicket region. Again, you cannot become predictable as a bowler. You can't just bowl 6 slower balls, because that's what batters do. Stand tall, head still, and hit it out the ground. Yeah, full toss. It probably will come back for the second to get that 150 on board. Yes, they do, and they complete that. So 150 in 20 overs from Gwadar Sharks.